Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? Great Granddad's Day, about 30 days left on my fast, and yes, I'm still doing this for y'all. You're very welcome. I would appreciate that by like, hitting a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. Still working this dry fast. Y'all been watching, I see the videos. Had the strawberries. I think it wasn't the best batch of strawberries, but I don't like wasting, so we might try to save this thing. Let's see, what else can we combine with this in order to save this? Or is this a don't save her? She don't want to be saved. Hey, I swear y'all gotta have fun when y'all doing this, man. But you know I'm doing this with one hand, so hey, we gonna do this how we doing it. I got some remnants of some OJ. The last time I think I saw some OJ, I didn't have it to it was like maybe, I'm not really drinking this. I'm just swigging it. I'm swigging it, spitting it out like almost like you brush your teeth with it. So just bear with me if I say something. But I know for a fact, this was not hitting, coach. They having fun, that's all. Here we go. I'ma try to pour it and make sure y'all get a shot. If y'all don't, y'all gonna hear about it and tell all of your friends. Woo. I forgot I had one of these. Forgot I have one of these in there. So it makes it a lot easier. So you just pour it into there. So now I'm gonna rinse this. A lot of cleaning. Let me know if y'all got any tips for cleaning this stuff. Because I for sure don't want to spend my time cleaning all this. And I know the fruit smell. I got another plan for this food. This is something y'all probably ain't gonna hear. I'm gonna end up blending this motherfucker. A lot of this stuff in the back, this gonna get blended. I don't care. I could care less. I could care less. It's getting blended. You think I'm about to throw that stuff away? It's gonna throw away in my insides, motherfucking organs. You'll dig it. You'll dig it. But you clicked on this video for some grapes. Had them over here. I got another pile. But these right here is rinsed, ready to go. Ready to go right now. How y'all day doing? Tell me how y'all day doing. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. Here we go. Grapes. I'm sorry. Glad I looked at the camera. Say up. Gotta kiss it because you want to love your food. This is energy. You consuming this. Here we go. Let's see, I want to see the measurements. So those things hold up a lot. How much was that? About 200 milliliters for that. Holy cow, it's a lot of liquid. Don't get it twisted. It's a lot of liquid. It's a lot of liquid. Oh yeah. Don't get it twisted. It's a lot of liquid. Look at that color. All right. That was delicious. I had trouble spitting that out. I really had trouble spitting it out. Holy cow. Yeah. Whew. Man, oh man. Give me a break, nigga. Shoot. All right. Put a dab of the orange in it. More like a cream filling with the orange does with the pulp. Okay. That's not what we came here for. Came here to rescue the strawberry. Let's see if we can have some more of that. Pour a little bit in here. Maybe that's too much. Find out. Pour a little bit of strawberry in there. It's better. It's absolutely better. Okay, now that's drinkable. It's drinkable. That's drinkable. Okay. Drinkable. Grapes made it doable. Just gotta mix it together and save it. Alright. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Grapes made it doable. And these grapes still have seed. But you can't even taste it too. That's just crazy. Can't even taste it with this stuff. So. Alright. Got the rest of these grapes. About to put them in here. Make sure I got my equipment in right. Yep, Michelle. Got this. Mwah. Mwah. Y'all kiss it. There you go. Gotta love your food. Gotta love the energy. Positive energy. It's all a cycle. It's all a cycle. Let's get it right. Shoot. Oh my goodness. Oh my dog want. Oh my dog at. There you go, boy. I missed. He'll get to it. Anyways, back to the grapes. Back to the grapes. Back to the grapes. Oh baby, I want these grapes to be good. Alright, now to transfer this. Now I gotta rinse this. Get rid of these oranges peels, because still got the oranges out, because we know we're saving the orange juice. Y'all witnessing some lab work right now. All right. Whew. Who would have thought the grape juice? Why don't they sell that kind? Why they sell that garbage weak version? I'm actually mad I ordered some online. Not knowing anybody cool. Because it said one thing. And then when I get it, turns out it's not. So I don't want to waste the grape juice I got. It's the purple grape, but it's like some concentrate. They thankfully got no sugar in it. I think it said not from concentrate or not pasteurized. Either one of the two is one or not. But it's just like, hey, you buy it, you don't want to waste it. So maybe it is waste. Y'all let me know. What do y'all think in the comments? Y'all let me know. What do y'all think in the comments? Shoot. Here we go. I was wondering for a second. I was like, I'm having fun. Why am I tired? I forgot that I'm dry fasting. But yeah, here's this. About to finish up this orange. Orange in there. I think slower does it better or something. Alright. Here we go. Just put that there for it. Check stopper. I wish it have came with the thing. You know, the whatchamacallit thing. So. Put this there. Pull it. Now fill out the rest of the strawberry with this grape. Save it. Looks like it's a little bit left. Whatever, don't hurt. Add it in there. Then we gotta save that. So, yeah, I think that's the end of this video. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all got a lot of drinks up in one. Goodness. Hit the bell notification. Y'all want to get a course? Go with our business course. Go ahead and do that consultation. DM us on Instagram. Hey, you know, we doing it at artwork too. healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Still fast until tired. Doing this for y'all. So please hit the like button. All right, bye-bye.